Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar continues to maintain a stoic silence over the alleged involvement of the suspended JDU MLC Manorama Devi's son Rocky Yadav in the murder of teenager Aditya Sachdev. Now Aditya's parents, they've spoken out and they hope that the Bihar government will ensure a speedy trial and the powerful will not get away with murder. Rohit Singh in Patna with this report.
They lost their 19-year-old son. He was out for a birthday party with friends but never returned home. Their son was to write his exam on May 12th but did not appear. Their son, Aditya Sachdeva, was killed in cold blood. He was a victim of road rage. The man accused of road rage, Rakesh Ranjan Yadav, alias Rocky Yadav, is behind bars. But his political connections worry Chanda and Sham Sachdeva. Even though Rocky's criminal turned politician father, Bindeshwari Yadav, is in jail, and his mother, Manorama Devi, a former JDU MLC, is on the run, the family fears that evidence could be destroyed and eyewitnesses may back out.
लेकिन ये सब हर बातें हमें बतानी पड़ रही हैं. बस ये थोड़ा सा लग रहा है कि आप ये कपड़े ले जाओ, ये एविडेंस हमें दो, ये पेपर हमें दो, ये थोड़ा सा लग रहा है.
जो जांच का तरीका है, अब कैसे इन लोग जांच कर रहे हैं हमको तो समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. अब वो सही निर्देश दें, सही दिशा पर उसको चलवाएं.
4 days after the tragic incident, Aditya's blood-stained clothes lie with parents. The police did not feel that the victim's clothes could hold damning proof. Even the gun which allegedly took Aditya's life was held with bare hands by the police. Aditya's parents are gripped with fear. They fear that the careless Bihar police is not competent enough and demand a CBI probe for speedy trial to ensure justice for their son.
हम दुखी आदमी, मेरा कलेजा फट रहा. अगर उसके पोता का, नीतीश के पोता, लाली के पोता को गोली लगता तो क्या होता दुनिया में.
अरे जो बोलना था बोलिए.
Bureau Report, India Today.
Is there merit in what Aditya's mother and grandmother are saying? They're saying police are not carrying out even the basic investigations. They haven't taken the blood-stained clothes till the time the family pointed it out. The grandmother says if Nitish or Lalu's, God forbid, if their kin had been shot dead, would the police have been so poor in its investigation? Because for the past more than 50 hours, Manorama Devi, the powerful JDU leader, she's been absconding. The police have failed to arrest her. She was at the prison when her son was taken into custody and sent to prison. She was there. That's what eyewitnesses claim. The police haven't been able to get to her. The police spent more than 55 hours in arresting even Rocky Yadav. So is the police actually investigating this case in the right earnest? Remains the big question.
Where is Manorama Devi, the mother of Rocky Yadav, who is accused of shielding her son, who is accused of killing a youth in a fit of rage? Where is Manorama Devi, JDU legislator who was suspended for 6 years from her party when police seized liquor from her house? Where is Manorama Devi, who has been on the run for over 48 hours?
उनके परिवार वालों को हम भरोसा दिलाते हैं कि उनके साथ न्याय होगा. इसको आगे जो केस होगा इसको और मजबूत किया जाएगा और जो दोषी हैं उसके खिलाफ कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई.
The parents of road rage victim Aditya Sachdeva fear that Bihar police is incompetent and lash out at Nitish Kumar government.
उन्हें इस उनकी जनता करा रही है और वो हमारे बीच में अभी नहीं है. शायद ये आवाज मेरी उन तक पहुंच जाए.
Manorama Devi has been on the run when liquor, a prohibited item in tri-state Bihar, was recovered from her Gaya residence. She is also accused of misguiding the police to shield her son Rocky Yadav. The VVIP brat is now in 2-day police custody. With political heat rising, there is pressure on the Bihar police to narrow down the search for Manorama Devi.
उनकी गिरफ्तारी सुनिश्चित है। कानून के साथ खिलवाड़ करने वाले किसी भी व्यक्ति को छोड़ा नहीं जाएगा।
किसी को बख्शा तो नहीं गया है, तो गिरफ्तारी कोई फरार हो गया तो स्वाभाविक है, फरार हो गया तो उसको पकड़ने में 1-2 दिन समय लगेगा, लेकिन कार्रवाई हो रही है, ये महत्वपूर्ण चीज है।
नीतीश कुमार में यदि हिम्मत है, यदि आरजेडी में हिम्मत है, तो विधायकों को निष्कासित करके दिखाई, ये तो आईवास है।
First it was the accused son and now her MLC mother who have been successful in outsmarting the Bihar police by evading arrest. It's been close to 60 hours but still Bihar police is clueless as to where Manorama Devi is in hiding. And this kind of a shoddy investigation only raises question that will Aditya Sachdeva ever get justice? With camera person Rajesh Jha, this is Rohit Singh in Patna for India Today.
Will Aditya Sachdev get justice? That remains the big question. Perhaps a big question mark on Nitish Kumar's Sushasan as Chand Sachdeva, his mother, tells India Today. Joining me now on the broadcast is Chand Sachdeva. I also have JDU MP, Ambassador Pawan Verma joining me on the broadcast. Delhi Police, former Delhi Police Commissioner T.R. Kakkar and BJP Sudhanshu Mittal join me on the broadcast. Chand Sachdeva, मैं सबसे पहले आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं कि आपको क्यों लग रहा है कि इस मामले में न्याय आपको नहीं मिलेगा जब गिरफ्तारी हो चुकी है। जिसने आपके बेटे को गोली मारी पुलिस के मुताबिक रॉकी की गिरफ्तारी हो चुकी है मैडम। चंदा जी, मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं आपको क्यों लगता है आपको न्याय नहीं मिलेगा?
क्योंकि सारा प्रोसेस इतना स्लो चल रहा है, तो फिर
जी
सरकार हमारी सुन ही नहीं रही है हमारी बात। बार बार हमसे पूछते हैं कि आप क्या चाहती हैं। अब तो मुझे सरकार से पूछना चाहिए ना हमारी कि आप क्यों नहीं, आप क्या चाहते हैं, आप क्या चाहते हैं? उसको छोड़ दिया जाए क्या? उसने मर्डर किया है, मार दिया मेरे बच्चे को।
Ambassador Pawan Verma, is this Nitish Kumar's
हम तो इंसाफ
Sushasan?
चाहते हैं, हम इंसाफ चाह रहे हैं नीतीश कुमार से।
A mother is crying for justice. She is not getting justice in Bihar, sir. Your government has failed to arrest your own party MLC for over 50 hours. She's been absconding. No arrest, sir. Ambassador Pawan Verma.
I think you Gaurav, let's cut through the rhetoric. You yourself told her that the principal accused has been arrested. I want to assure her through you, as I have done previously yesterday and day before also, that in this matter there will be no laxity shown in bringing the guilty to book.
That's rhetoric, Ambassador Verma. There was laxity. There was laxity from step one, Ambassador Verma. We have rhetoric coming from you. For over 26 hours, no FIR. For over 55 hours, the accused was not arrested.
Let's not become
for over
personal
55 hours, for over 55 hours, the mother has not been arrested.
Normally, I don't get into personal invective. So I just want to say to you that from the point of view of the Bihar government, they moved quick enough, and there could always be a view that they could have moved faster. But I don't believe you should question the bona fides. The father was arrested on the same day. The bodyguard was arrested within 48 hours. The boy was arrested. The mother has been suspended. She was subjected to a sustained interrogation. Now a warrant of arrest has been issued against her. She will also be apprehended. I am confident the case will proceed on a fast track. The guilty will be brought to book. I don't believe there is any reason at this point to fear that in any way the process of law will be derailed or that the guilty will not be brought to book.
चंदा
I want
जी,
to say this on record.
पवन वर्मा जी कह रहे हैं जेडीयू के बड़े नेता हैं. Let me put that question to a mother. Sir, let me put that question to a mother and let me see if that satisfies her. वो कह रहे हैं कि 55 घंटे में हमने लड़के को गिरफ्तार कर लिया, 48 घंटे में हमने बॉडीगार्ड को गिरफ्तार कर लिया, मां से पूछताछ कर ली, पिता को गिरफ्तार कर लिया. अब आखिर परिवार क्या चाहता है?
तो वो क्या पूछताछ, क्या उनका वो तो हमें पता होना चाहिए ना. हमें तो कुछ भी रिटर्न कुछ भी नहीं पता लगा. वो क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ भी नहीं. कपड़े हमारे पास पड़े थे.
अगर आप चाहती हैं कि आपको इसमें सूची मिलती चले, वो भी दिया जाएगा.
उसने माना ना कि गोली मारी हमने. उसने माना ना गोली मारी हमने.
आप ये कह रही थी कि जेडीयू से या कोई भी नेता आपसे मिलने नहीं आया, कोई भी प्रशासन की तरफ से आपने मिलने नहीं आया. आपके पति थोड़ी देर पहले कह रहे थे कि मुख्यमंत्री उत्तर प्रदेश में है और वो यहाँ नहीं है, तो उससे आपको क्या आपत्ति है अगर मुख्यमंत्री दूसरे राज्य में कैंपेनिंग कर रहे हैं?
ये उससे आपत्ति हमें कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन आपत्ति ये है कि वो हमारा हमसे हमें तो कुछ नहीं मिल दे रहे हैं ना. हमें तो कुछ भी आश्वासन नहीं दे रहे हैं. वो कहीं भी हो वहां से तो दे सकते थे, बोल सकते थे ना. पावर तो उनका वहां पे भी था हमारे लिए.
जी, एम्बेसडर वर्मा, वुड यू लाइक टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू दैट?
कुछ भी आश्वासन नहीं दिया हमें कि वो.
In fact, the father a short while back was telling me that the chief minister has time for Uttar Pradesh. He has no time for Sushasana in his own state, sir. Ambassador Pavan Verma.
अपने राज्य के लिए उनके पास टाइम नहीं है. अपनी जनता रो रही है, मांगना पड़ रहा है, इंसाफ मांगना पड़ रहा है. भाई ये करो, ये करो.
Okay. Mr. T.R. Khattar, as a former police commissioner, are you satisfied with the steps taken by the Bihar police in terms of arrest after 55 hours of the main accused in this case? The mother still not arrested even though she is shielded and accused in this case?
See, Gaurav, because of the general atmosphere in Bihar and the impression that goes around there, even when the police takes action as per the law, people do not appear to be satisfied. In this particular case, initially there was a lot of reluctance shown. Like the FIR, it took about 24, 26 hours to be registered.
Yes.
And then the person, the main accused could not be arrested for 55 hours. The mother, when it was found that she was storing liquor, etc., she sort of escaped from there and she is not to be found anywhere. So these are the things. But now that, of course, I agree with Mr. Verma that mother will be arrested. Where will she go? She cannot go abroad like Malia, but she will be somewhere here. She will be arrested. Everything will be done. It is that confidence which has to be given to the family and to the people there that this person who is the son of a Bahubali, who is the son of an MLC, ex-MLC,
yes,
is not
he was treated with kid gloves.
Go scot-free in this case, which is
respond to that, Ambassador Verma. Respond to that. Your Ambassador Verma, your police stands accused of very slow. No, more than assurance, hard action, sir. Hard action needs to be taken, sir.
Justice will be done.
25 hours, no arrest of the main accused in this case. Look at the way the police were handling the weapon. Look at the way the police failed to arrest the mother. Then there are several other lapses. The FIR is not from the eyewitnesses account.
Handling of the weapon is totally wrong.
Yes.
If I suggest that the person who handled this weapon in the police with bare hands, without sort of taking sufficient precaution, must be suspended. This is not the way to hold a weapon which has been used in a crime.
Respond to that, Pavan Verma. The police have been forced to act. They acted only when there was no other alternative left.
Well, you made your opinion, then I have nothing more to say that they were forced to act. I disagree with you. We are entitled to our own opinion. In my view, the police acted
Isn't that
immediately,
rather
and that is
arrogant?
largely
Isn't that
because
rather
there is
arrogant,
no way
Ambassador
that this
Verma?
kind of crime.
This is not my
I thought
opinion.
your question was.
No, that's not my opinion. That is what T.R. Kakkad is saying. That is
how
what the
you
mother
put it
is
to me.
saying. You are hearing both the other guests on the
No,
broadcast, sir.
Kakkar Saab said, if I heard him right, and please don't scream at me, Kakkar Saab said that the lady will be caught, the man has been arrested, law will take its course, and we need to give confidence to the family, which we are more than willing to do, and I can only do it on the basis of the fact that it's my genuine conviction that the state and the police machinery will do everything that they can to bring the culprits to book and to see that punishment is meted out within the purview of law.
He
It's my
also
conviction.
said,
And I believe the police
that the
has
person
been
who
acting.
handled
There
the
could
weapon
be-
should be suspended because of the callous manner in which he did.
Well, if that is, he's an exceptionally experienced senior police officer. If he has a point of view, and if there is a matter in which he feels our police should be advised, or he feels is wrong, it's a possibility. I am not conducting the day-to-day, minute-to-minute investigation. I can only convey the intention of the police and the Bihar government, which is to bring the culprits to book, and I want to assure the Sachdeva family that no stone will be unturned to see that justice is meted out.
You know why I'm saying there was laxity, and this is not me, these are police officers in Bihar who are saying. I'll tell you why. 55 hours they failed to arrest the accused. Was he under influence of liquor or not? You wouldn't know. 55 hours the police failed to arrest him. Were the police doing their job? Well, this man was found, Rocky Yadav was found barely 15 kilometers from his own house, hiding in his own family farmhouse or hot mix plant. Sir, was the Bihar police acting properly, Mr. Verma?
One of the problems is that you are asking me questions to which I am not privy to answers, but everybody else seems to make the assumption that it was being done deliberately. I don't believe it's the right way to go. There's been a gruesome murder, a family is in deep anguish, and all that we are trying to prove somehow through the availability of inadequate evidence is that there is malafide somewhere. Why don't you wait for the results? Why don't you try and find out what could have been the reasons why the boy was not caught? Is it necessarily indicative of malafide?
Okay.
Nobody is infallible. Mistakes could have been made, but let's not question bona fides.
Okay,
This is not
Sudhanshu
how
Mittal.
we've arrested previous politicians who were as powerful.
Sudhanshu Mittal, respond to that. Bihar government, Ambassador Verma says there's no malafide. There may have been some delays.
Gaurav, I've been listening to what Mr. Verma has been saying, and to me it's the most insensitive defense to an otherwise most negligent and criminal act on part of the Bihar police. I will point out three things. First, you've just shown visuals again and again about the way the weapon of murder has been handled. With bare hands, the moment a policeman touches it, he is destroying the fingerprints which could have been there on that weapon. And these are sure ways of ensuring that the evidence against the culprit are destroyed. One, you just showed that the clothes which were worn by Mr. Aditya Sachdeva have still not been taken into possession as evidence, as case material. It is shocking. It is, Mr. Kakkad is here. These are preliminary things. These are the fundamentals of any criminal investigation.
Yes.
And let me tell you why the suspicion that there is a cover-up or there is going to be a deliberate attempt to destroy evidence. There is reason for that. First,
okay,
do you realize that when he was produced before the judicial magistrate, the police did not press hard enough for a police custody.
And that defies logic.
14-day.
Please respond to that, Mr. Verma.
Yeah, that's what
Why would the police not even take an accused custody? Why was he being treated like such a VVIP?
Listen, I'm not getting into the police details. We will await the results. If there are any reasons why you feel the results have not matched expectation, please hold those who are responsible for conducting the investigation to book. As far as judicial custody and remand, I am not a police expert, but everybody else appears to be. The
Well,
boy
Mr.
did not surrender. He was arrested for 24 hours. He was already, he was 24 hours. He was already in police remand.
16 hours.
And all the interrogation that was necessary, I
it is not
understand, had been
sufficient.
done. And it's on record and transcribed and videographed. And then he has been put into judicial custody, and from judicial custody the police can always seek a remand again. So why are you splitting hairs? Must you politicize this matter?
Mr. Verma,
I'm
do
saying
not
this to my
shout.
good friend, Mr.
Hey, you are
Sudhanshu
guilty,
Verma.
and then you are
Since
trying to
the
browbeat
moment
everybody by
it-
shouting.
This
What is this?
This is the moment it has happened.
You cannot shout because you have to listen to the genuine
Don't lose your cool,
grievances and
Mr.
complaints.
Mittal.
Don't outshout everybody. Please
Yes,
listen
yes,
to what
yes.
has happened. Please look at how deliberately there is an attempt to let this boy go.
Okay.
No, because you're misbehaving on television.
No, Mr.
You are
Kakkar.
raising your voice twice.
There was
Okay,
nothing
gentlemen,
else I expected
gentlemen,
from you.
No, allow me to
Gentlemen,
bring-
gentlemen,
allow me to bring
gentlemen,
some
can we have
facts
some?
on this.
I
Okay,
did
let's.
not. I did want to bring up all these
Mr.
issues.
Verma, let's
No,
bring
we must-
some more facts to
Okay,
notice.
gentlemen, all three of us talking at the same time. There's a
Mr.
wailing
Verma.
mother. Gentlemen, have a heart.
Mr. Verma.
Gentlemen, have a heart. There's a wailing mother. Let's reassure her that her son will get justice.
Mrs. Sachdev की तो ख्याल रखिए.
मिसेस सचदेवा का ख्याल रखिए, वो सुन रही हैं। लेकिन कक्कड़ साहब आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ, were there lapses?
गौरव, मैं कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ।
Go on, Mr. Kakkar.
गौरव साहब, ऐसा है कि
जी माता
now
जी,
Mr.
okay,
Verma,
sir, give me 10
Mr.
seconds. Let me
Verma
listen to the
mentioned
mother.
that-
Let me just listen into the mother for 30 seconds. जी, चंदा जी,
okay.
कहिए, आप कुछ कह रही थी।
Okay.
नहीं, मुझे अपनी बर्दाश्त नहीं हो रहा। मुझे खाली सरकार से एक रिटन आश्वासन चाहिए और जल्द से जल्द चाहिए। कितनी दिन में मेरे बच्चे का इंसाफ होगा। सरकार या सरकार का कोई आदमी हमें रिटन दे दे बस। और ये हम अब और नहीं बर्दाश्त कर सकते, नहीं तो सारे जितने सबूत गवाह सब तो मिटा दिए जा रहे हैं, जाएंगे। अब नहीं बोल सकते, हम बहुत थक गए हैं। बहुत।
नहीं माँ जी, आप और मत बोलिए,
बस
आप
मेरी
बैठिए।
सरकार तक आवाज पहुंचा दी जाए।
जी, हम यही करेंगे, हम आपकी आवाज
सरकार से
लगातार
गुहार
पहुंचाएंगे।
लगा रहे हैं। सरकार हमें एक भी आश्वासन दे देना क्यों नहीं दे रही है?
सचदेव, मैं फिर से
रिटर्न दे
आपको
दे।
आश्वस्त करा
कौन
रहा
सी
हूं।
बड़ी बात है, कहीं से दे दे।
गौरव, कल तुमने उसको सुना? वो क्या कह रहा था? वो कह रहा था मैं तो था ही नहीं वहां पे, मैं तो दिल्ली में था।
सर,
मेरी गाड़ी नहीं थी।
सर, एक
He
मिनट,
would like
पवन वर्मा
all
जी,
of us to believe.
पवन वर्मा जी, एक
He will
मिनट,
like us to believe
आप
that
एक
the
माँ
murder
को,
never took place.
जी, आप एक माँ को क्या आश्वासन देंगे? सरकार आपकी है पवन वर्मा जी, एक माँ को क्या आश्वासन देंगे
थैंक यू
आप?
फॉर दैट, थैंक यू फॉर दैट, थैंक यू फॉर दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी गौरव। मैं उनसे कहना चाहता हूं कि मिसेस सचदेव, पूरी तरह से आपको आश्वस्त कराना चाहता हूं कि सरकार और पुलिस अपना काम पूरे ईमानदारी से इस मामले में करेगी और जल्द से जल्द इस दोषी का जो है वो उसको सजा मिलेगी, दंड मिलेगा, फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट के जरिए मिलेगा। मैं आपको आश्वस्त कर रहा हूं पब्लिकली न्यूज चैनल पे, और इसके कहने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, ये होगा।
तो सर, ऑन इंडिया टुडे यू आर कमिटिंग दैट दिस केस विल बी हैंडल्ड इन अ फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट? You are committing that this will be handled in a fast track court?
Yes, it will be.
Okay.
And there is no reason to prevent it. The idea is to bring the culprits to book within the purview of law. And that, as you know, is a process, and it will be followed without any malafide, with the single focused intent of concluding this matter and bringing the guilty to book.
लेकिन ऐसा हो नहीं रहा है, क्यों? And I want to put that question to Mr. T.R. Kakkar. As former Delhi Police Commissioner, sir, you were pointing out lapses. The mother is listening. She thinks there have been lapses, but as a trained police officer par excellence, what were those lapses in your opinion, sir?
सर, बट मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि पवन वर्मा जी ने अभी कुछ कहा कि जुडिशियल पे चला गया, उसको फिर पुलिस इंटेरोगेट कर लेगी। ये इतने हीनियस क्राइम के में ऐसी चीज़ें नहीं की जाती हैं। पुलिस को कम से कम उसका 8-10 दिन का रिमांड मांगना था, 5-6 दिन कुछ मिल जाता, क्योंकि इन लोगों को जब तक आप पुलिस कस्टडी में इंटेरोगेट नहीं करेंगे वो सत्य जो आप चाहते हैं वो मिलना कठिन हो जाता है और जुडिशियल में रिमांड पे जाकर वो एविडेंस डिस्ट्रॉय होना शुरू हो जाता है। तो ये एक है। दूसरा मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि इस केस की तुलना आप कटारा केस से कर सकते हैं। वहाँ भी बाहुबली था, वहाँ भी इसी तरह का कुछ तरीका अलग था, लेकिन अल्टीमेटली मर्डर हुआ। तो जब देखा कि क्योंकि whether rightly or wrongly these people or other people do not have that faith in the machinery of the government, and if they don't have, then it would be very fine if the state government agrees to transfer this case where a Bahubali is involved, where a politician is involved, where general atmosphere is that the justice will not be done, to another state, or give it to CBI as it was done ultimately in case of Katara's case, and the conviction was there.
Let me sir, fair enough. Let me ask the mother, because the mother also was indicating on those lines.
Because of the fear, witnesses don't turn up at all.
Yes, माजी, क्या आप भी चाहती हैं क्या ये केस बिहार पुलिस इसकी पड़ताल करे, या ये मामला सीबीआई को दे देना चाहिए, या किसी अन्य राज्य को निष्पक्ष जांच करनी चाहिए?
अगर बिहार पुलिस या हमारी बिहार सरकार नहीं कर पाएगी, वो बोल दे कि हम नहीं करेंगे, एक बार बोल दे, रिटर्न दे दे कि हम इस केस को नहीं हैंडल कर पाएंगे, फिर आगे सोचेंगे क्या करना है, फिर तो आगे ही बोलना
क्यों लगता है वो ऐसा नहीं कर पाएंगे? क्योंकि पवन वर्मा जी तो कह रहे हैं पवन वर्मा जी तो कह रहे हैं हम हर संभव प्रयास करेंगे,
सारे कदम उठाएंगे,
दोषियों को सजा दी जाएगी,
आप परेशान ना होइए।
बस हाँ तो आप रिटर्न हमें दे दें।
क्या चाहती हैं आप?
आपको आश्वस्त करता हूं
मीडिया को।
क्या लिखित में चाहती है आप माँ जी?
फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट के द्वारा हमें जल्दी से जल्दी सुनवाई हो और उसको सजा मिले, क्योंकि एकदम क्लियर है कि उसने वो मर्डर किया है, बेल ना हो, उसका बेल भी नहीं हो।
एम्बेसडर वर्मा,
क्योंकि मर्डर है, वो भी छोटे बच्चे का।
People voted for JDU and RJD with a lot of hope. They gave you the mandate. Now, when the Deputy Chief Minister says whatever happens, I mean Pathankot,
वर्ल्ड चाह रहा है कि उसको फांसी हो, उसको सजा मिले।
जी माँ जी, ये तो कोर्ट तय करेगी, लेकिन
the law will
कम से
take
कम
its course and do so expeditiously.
ट्रायल हो, ये आप एक्सपेक्ट करें।
जी Ambassador Verma, you will reassure the mother of an absolutely impartial investigation, howsoever high a person may be, the law will be above them, sir?
The competent...
Yes, Gaurav, I need not even say this. It will be done.
Okay. With that hope, yes, go on. Okay, Mr. Mittal, go on.
Gaurav, what has been witnessed till now has been the most incompetent investigation, which surely has a motivation of protecting this man. Did you read his statement yesterday? As he was pointing out, I was not there. I was in Delhi. My car was not there. He wants us to believe that the murder also never took place. With such kind of connections and with such kind of theories, it is most suspect that they will do a competent investigation to ensure that justice is done.
No,
arrest
but
is not the issue.
Okay.
It is a subsequent punishment.
Closing comments to Ambassador
Verma.
Verma.
Case get transferred to CBI.
One last comment.
Yes, last comment to Ambassador Verma.
Just one short comment.
Sir.
Short comment. You know what an accused tries to say in his defense is not what will influence the course of this inquiry. The law will take its own course and take it expeditiously.
Okay, Ambassador Verma, I'll tell you why. Because you know, in Bihar, young Aditya's mother's desperate wail for justice. Will the system listen to her? Now the accused is in jail. The accused's mother, a very powerful JDU leader, is still absconding, and there are allegations that the JDU RJD on the accused. Sudhanshu Mittal, the BJP stands accused of playing politics on a very gruesome murder case.
Gaurav, I don't want to respond to this because this is a typical reaction the moment there are lapses pointed out. I don't want to get into this. All I am saying is, you have seen laxity of police. Pawan Verma ji is there. I have greatest regard for him. I would ask him to use his good office to ensure that action is taken against the police officers who have messed up the investigation. This will reassure the entire system that you cannot get away with shoddy investigation. Okay. And the parents will feel satisfied that there is seriousness about the. See, if you listen to what the mother has to say, she says there is destruction of evidence. There is evidence which is lying there which has not been collected.
Yes.
There is a deliberate effort of ensuring that there is evidence becomes so weak that at the end
Mr.
of the day,
Kakkad,
the guy goes unpunished.
Okay, Mr. Kakkad, is there merit in these complaints? Mr. Kakkad, is there merit in these complaints that the longer the case drags, witnesses can be brought?
There is some merit in these complaints. During the course of the clothes, blood-stained clothes should have been collected immediately and preserved. Similarly, the weapon could have been handled in a fashion as taught to these people. And now I want to make only one suggestion. I can't advise. You see, as I was saying, the entire case will now depend on the statement of witnesses. These witnesses must be protected against the Bahubalis, his money power, his muscle power, his everything. Because all these witnesses, the boys who were there with the deceased and also people who saw the firing done, by this time I'm quite sure that the investigating officer knows who are the witnesses, who are the vital witnesses,
yes,
and they must be provided adequate protection before they disappear one by one, you know.
Closing comments, Ambassador Verma, litmus test for the Chief Minister Nitish Kumar's Sushasana here, sir.
I will just like to say that I have very high regard for Mr. Kakkad, and whatever suggestions he's giving, I'm sure our police will take cognizance of them. But today is not the time when I want to say anything else. With Sudhanshu Mittal ji, I can have another debate on what he has said.
Okay.
Right now, since the mother of Aditya is on your channel, मैं बहुत अब तहे दिल से तटस्थ होकर उनको आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूं कि इस मामले में जो दोषी हैं उनको दंड मिलेगा और सरकार इस मामले को अपने निष्कर्ष तक लाने के लिए पूर्णतः तत्पर रहेगी.
Okay. Sir, will you also reassure, Maji on my show that somebody from the administration will speak to her, reassure her and tell her that a fast-track court will be set up, a commitment you're making on India Today now, sir?
Sir, the administration and the police will be more than happy to be in touch with her. They have to get a job done and they must do it, and let us not prejudge the situation. Let us wait for the results to follow. Everything possible that is necessary under the law will be done.
Including setting up a fast-track court, sir?
I believe so, yes. It should be done by a fast-track court.
Okay. Ambassador Pawan Verma, Mr. T.R. Kakkad, Sudhanshu Mittal and Chanda Sachdeva, many thanks for joining me here on the show. And I would want to reassure Chanda Sachdeva, Aditya's mother, that India Today will continue to track this story very, very closely. We will continue to take her voice to the Bihar government and ensure that justice is done. We will track this story very closely.